After JEE examinations that was conducted last Sunday, preparations are all set to conduct NEET examination on this Sunday, that is 13th September, and that's why you could see a large number of students who have gathered outside an examination center at Mylapore. For Chennai alone, there are 46 such examination centers, and across the state of Tamil Nadu, there are more than 200 such examination centers. But several steps have also been taken to make sure that the students' safety and health concerns are also taken under consideration, and that's the reason the examination is conducted this year by 2:15 p.m. alone, and the students have already been asked to assemble by 11 a.m. itself. From 11 a.m. onwards, students have started gathering over here, and by 11:30 a.m. they will be allowed inside batch after batch to make sure that proper social distancing is maintained when they are made to be seated, and they go through various checking itself. In fact, this year there is no proper patting will not be done by touching, but proper one kind of equipment would be used. All those things have also been taken under consideration to make sure social distancing is maintained. Now, when it comes to Tamil Nadu, NEET is always a politically debatable subject. Even this year, close to 4 student suicides were attributed to NEET. The Chief Minister, various other political parties have reacted on it. But even after all this, NEET examination is being conducted. Educationists have requested students to actually just go ahead, prepare for it and write the examination as calm as possible. When it comes to NEET examination, a lot of things are also for instance, a proper dress code must be maintained, and certain things are not allowed to be carried inside. That's what you could see over the board. 15 items are not allowed inside the examination center. It starts with a calculator, a cellular device, pen drives, pens with some kind of technology on it, even water bottles or sunglasses, any kind of jewelry, calculators, and even watch are not allowed inside the hall. This is a mandatory thing that they will follow, and proper checking will be done before the students are allowed inside. Like we said earlier, all preparations are done. The students are standing over there. They have to wait for some more time before they will be allowed batch after batch inside. Such kind of preparation has been done for this year also for the NEET examination to be conducted. In fact, only concern here is that this year the pandemic situation is definitely severe, and when it comes to Tamil Nadu state, a minimum of 5,800 cases of COVID-19 are being reported every day. That is a definite consideration, a huge concern, which was also highlighted by the Education Minister to the the Health Minister from the state to the Education Minister of the center. But still, NEET is being conducted and students are prepared, and they will start writing the examination for this year pretty soon. 1.17 lakh students have applied from the state of Tamil Nadu, and in some time they will take the test. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for